Today's video is largely influenced by Jess from Jessie Style, and I thank her so much for her passion and enthusiasm about Hermes. I was watching one of her videos and spied a really beautiful charm on one of her bags, and of course here I am with today's video, and I cannot wait to show you what I got. Well, hello luxurious queens, welcome back to Life with Lokie, and if you're new here, welcome to my little corner where I chit chat and share with you my love for luxury, handbags, thrifted finds, reviews, leathers care and all. My name is Lokie and I would love for you to join my channel and let's connect. So do remember to subscribe and hit that bell to get first updates whenever I upload. Okay, less rambling and let's get started. The reason why you see all these bags here today is because I have something really gorgeous to add to them. And here is a little something that I would love to unbox with you, and in fact I have two of it to unbox. Alright, so here goes nothing. Where is it? Oh, hang on. Looks like... Oh, here you go. Small, really cute. Let's continue unboxing. Ta-da! And there should be one more piece. Oh, the seller was really nice. I asked her if she could include a box for me. And so it looks like one of them, the boxes are slightly different. This one has the Fubu Saint Honor, the other one not. Okay, let's go with this one first. What do you think it is? Oh, she's so detailed with the packaging. Keep your guesses going, put them in the comment section below. There you go. Ta-da! A Pegasus ring in gold. So gorgeous. And let me see, you can see the Hermes word there. Gorgeous, isn't it? Alright, now continue guessing what the other one could be. Let's see if we can make this stand. Okay, well, something like that. Now the other one. Keep guessing, guys. Alright. Keep guessing, keep guessing. What is that? Hang on. You can already guess what it is. You've seen it before. And I think Jess has this as well. Ta-da! Gorgeous, isn't it? Yay! It's in gold hardware as well. Love it. So pretty, both of them. Super rare and limited edition pieces. I'm so glad I have them in my collection. Alright, and these are so precious vintage Hermes Cadena locks that is really rare and limited edition. Did you know that Cadena in French means padlock? In fact, Hermes does not make them anymore, which is why these locks are expensive and so hard to find. So most of my bags are in gold hardware, which is why I chose to start my collection with the gold ones. Now this Pegasus piece is from 1993, while the heart-shaped one is from 2004 edition. In fact, there's so many more pieces to collect. Now the seller which I got these from is from Japan, and she has recommended the Vintage.Kelly.Girl's Instagram, which I will put her page up here, and we can see that the first of these rare and limited edition locks started in 1988 with the elephant. In fact, most of these locks comes in both silver and gold hardware, and interestingly enough, these are actually gold plated with the 24K square print next to the Hermes word. You know, like the vintage Chanel's it has that little square on the CC turn lock, so same for these, which makes it so valuable. In fact, this Instagram is solely dedicated to these special Cadena locks and has listed the full list of locks if you're into collecting them. Personally, I dig this kind of treasure, and to me, these are really gems to be collected. I think I really fell into a rabbit hole with this one, but really so glad I started my collection with these two. So do feel free to check out her Instagram or the hashtag Cadena Charm Club to fascinate yourself and feast your eyes on such beautiful and extremely rare vintage Hermes pieces. Now let's look at my two vintage finds and we will figure out how to use these charms. Okay, so this is the Hermes Viv Lady Heart Cadena lock charm, which was produced in the year 2004, which was the year of fantasy, Annie de la Fantasy. This charm measures about 2.3 centimeters across and 4.3 centimeters in height. And let's have a look at it close up. Yes, cute, isn't it? And this is the side view and the back view. Yep, it has a little bit of like a dent or a scratch right there, but otherwise gorgeous. Yeah, I'm about to show you the Hermes, the 24 karat gold. So just have a look at where this area is, and you can see a little square to it. Yeah, so how to open this? Basically you just turn this, it's like a little screw, and there you go, you get to open it like this. Now next we shall look at the Pegasus charm. So in terms of the size, Pegasus is slightly shorter in terms of the size. Now this Pegasus charm really stole my heart. It was produced in the year 1993, which makes it 30 years old. And so it's really 3D. If you're wondering, you know, if it's just like 2D on one side, nope, because you can see, I'm going to spin it around. Yeah, so it's a 3D version of a Pegasus. So gorgeous, right? And even the top is also gold plated. Now the Hermes, the 24 karat gold, you can see the little square print right there. Yep, so that's also gold plated, and the way to open this is slightly different. So this one you just push it down. Mine is slightly stiff. Yeah. Alright, so now time to dress up my Kellys and Birkins, and we will figure out a few ways on how to wear this. Okay, so maybe let's just start with my Birkin first. I have here my Birkin 25 in Beton. This one is a gorgeous bag that I scored in Paris. Unfortunately, I haven't removed the stickers, oh dear. But anyway, I think this is easy to put on, so like you can always just hook it on here. Looks really gorgeous. Let's show you. Wow, that's how it looks. Another way which I thought is you can always unravel one of the twillies and hang it there like that, or you can also put it on here, just hang it right there. Although you know this sangle does cover it up a little, but it's just peeking through. That's quite nice. The Birkin doesn't have a D ring, so if you hook it through one of the twillies, I think it can be quite gorgeous. Right, next we have the Kelly to play around with, and let's see how we can dress my Kelly up. So this is my Kelly in Kelly, it's my first Kelly actually, my first Hermes bag, and it's in Kelly 2032. So yeah, maybe we can try the Pegasus now, or yeah, we can even do it with this. This is easier to play with, but we can just unravel this, hang it through this. There is a hole down the turn lock here, so that's you can actually put it in there and then swivel it back. So this is how it looks on my Kelly. Yeah, let's try to remove it. Now we have the, of course, there's the D-ring. I'm going to put it through here for you. Yeah, can you see that? So we just hang it through the D-ring. You can also put it like that. So looking stunning. And I've seen also, yeah, you can hang it around the clochette. Oops. So clochette wise, hang on, my camera. Clochette, yes, clochette. You can actually just hang it here, or maybe we won't. Yeah, you can hang it like this. This is quite cute as well. Play around with the Pegasus. Pegasus is cute. It's a little bit stiff for mine, so yeah, you just push it down like this and then slip it through the clochette. So this is how it looks on my Kelly bag. Isn't it stunning? Yeah, I know it's a bit of a hassle if you want to glide it through one of the twillies because you have to remove that. So yeah, that's how it looks. So pretty. Ta-da! Well, I am still fascinated with these vintage finds, and in fact, I think I can stare at them all day. I think the shooting star will be cute, and I'm also eyeing the snail, the hippopotamus, the elephant, and the pelican. I really love the animals Cadena as compared to the others. Well, tell me which will be on your wish list next. Now, these pieces are really expensive, like about $1,000 per charm. So I have to choose really wisely and collect them slowly. But yeah, do check out #Cadena Charm Club. Thank you for watching till the end of this video, and don't you think this looks so perfect on my bags? Well, I hope you enjoyed today's video, and do hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't, because it is really so much more fun to share and learn about luxury together. Well, see you next week, Queens, and goodbye.